Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this eye look on Dress to Impress. I did use one Roblox item for the iris. It is a little bit necessary, but if you don't have it, you can just use the halo without this part. But it is necessary to create those lines. But let's get started with the video. For the outfit, you can just do whatever you want. I'm not going to do the tutorial on the outfit. It is pretty simple, but I'll do the adjustments for the eyes. Grab this fur hat and color it white. Position the Y to 0.31, Z 0.66, rotate the X to 0.37, and scale it to 0.84. Grab this from the Moon Gazer set. Color the first one red. The second and the third one, the color you want your eye to be. In the fourth one, you can't really see it anyways. But I chose green for my eye. I don't have green eyes, I just like green eyes, I guess. But you can use whatever color you want. Position the Y to 0.16, Z 0.30, rotate the X to 0.52, Y to 0.76. Then you are going to grab this halo and again color it the same as your iris here. Position the X to 0.48, Y 0.31, Z 0.56, rotate the X to 0.39 and scale it to 0.42. Then you're going to want to grab this hat from the world culture area, this one here, and you're going to color it black. Position the X to 0.48, Y 0.39, Z 0.38, rotate the X to 0.38 and scale it to 0.22. For the light here, I don't know what it's called. Use these earrings and color it white. Position the Y to 0.47, Z 0.38, rotate the Y to 0.67, and scale it to 1. Lastly, we're going to grab this crown. This is the Runway Diva crown. I forgot what crown this is from. Select it and color it again the same color as your iris in default. Position the Y to 0.6, Z 0.23, rotate the X to 0.52, Y to 0.26 and Z to 0.25 and scale to 0.25. And that is it. Obviously, for the outfit, you can customize it to whatever you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!